Well, I just climbed a tree with a broken clavicle. Look at your boy. Oh, she's so beautiful, so beautiful. Look, she has these huge pods. Huge pods. You know, and then these delicate, beautiful flowers. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she's magnificent. Thank you, baby, for supporting me. I haven't climbed a tree since I was in Minnesota. And the last tree I climbed was my baby too. I miss her. I have a secret relationship with trees. Literally. This is it, bro. This is what I come for. This is what I'm here to do. Walk around and climb trees. Oh my god. I pretty much climbed this tree with one fucking arm, bro. This is dope. She made it easy for me though. Look at that. That was pretty easy. Pretty easy climb. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna just sit here for a minute.